In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor verification on Discord. Open your Discord now. This is our Discord. If you love to do this, click on your profile is going to come out. Click on this. Click on account. You're going to see this first one. You're going to see enable authentication app, right? So this is it. This one you need to get the authentication app. So I recommend you getting the Google one to use and set this up for yourself. But you can also use the second option, which is the adding passkey, right? So with this, you click on this add. You're going to click on this let's go, right? So you're going to enter your password. So once I've entered it, the next thing you're going to be able to see a list of, I think, verification codes you can use to have access to your account in case anybody wants to log into your account without you knowing, right? So once you enter these required details, the next option that's going to come out, you're going to be able to see your passkeys, right? So you're going to use it, you're going to store it safely, so as everything is going to be fine. You can also use this authentication app to do this, right? Or in my next video, I'm going to show you how you can set that up. So go to your app store and get the authenticator application, right? So come on here, authenticator. So this is it. You can get this, right? You can get this, or yeah. So this is the main one you're gonna get. This is the best one I recommend you getting. So once you get it, you're gonna be able to set it up, and you can use it. So if you find it helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. If you have any questions, do also ask me below in the comment section. Thank you for watching through. I'll see you in the next video.